So today's video is a review of my Chanel jewelry collection. I have individual videos on these individual pieces, however I don't have a group video showing all of the items, and I'll also talk about the wear and durability of the pieces as I have owned these for the past few years. So we're going to start off with the first item, which are these little earrings. These are the famous CC logo earrings. These retail for $350. They're the same price for this size as well as a smaller CC logo earring, so it's just up to preference. Now this earring measures just about 1.5 centimeters in length. If you want something that's a little bit more obvious or you prefer an understated look, but yeah, these earrings wear really well. They have a larger backing right here, so it keeps it really flush to your ear, and I don't find that the earrings come loose. Also, they wash pretty well. I don't shower with them, but I do wash them with soap and water before and after each use, and I dry it completely. I don't notice any signs of rusting or green residue, as you shouldn't notice for Chanel jewelry. But yeah, those are just a few things to note. The second piece I have is this necklace, and at the time it really went with the shirt that I was wearing, and as I was looking through all their necklaces, I decided on this one. This one retails for $650, I believe. It has a really chunky chain that I think looks really great with like a white shirt. And yeah, I really like the blinged out CC crystal logo right here with the sea foam blue and these crystals all around. It's definitely a statement piece, and I feel like you would want to wear kind of like a minimal looking outfit when you wear this necklace. And surprisingly, I haven't got as much use out of this necklace as I had anticipated. I think because it's a little bit more of a statement piece, and I feel like for everyday looks it's a little bit much. But nonetheless, I do like it, and I do love the chain because it reminds me of like the David Yurman jewelry chain style, which I don't own any David Yurman pieces, and I thought this would be like a great way to kind of get that influence without actually purchasing a piece. The next item is this classic pearl necklace, and this can either be worn long. I feel like wearing it long is a little bit more of like an older style. However, it can of course be doubled up like this and become like more of a flattering piece and more of a modern look as well. So in the front of the necklace, you're going to have this brushed gold CC logo, and the back where it hooks, there's also this dangling CC logo right here, which I really like that piece too. It looks really nice if you put your hair up and then you see this piece dangling in the back. But yeah, the pearls on this necklace are graduated, meaning that it starts smaller here, gets larger towards the center. So yeah, when you double it up, you will see like a variation of pearl sizes, which I think is really interesting. These pearls also have a goldish hue to them. They're not like pure white, so I think it's a really pretty color, and especially if you have a warm skin tone, these look really nice. The next piece I have is this pearl brooch. Now, out of the two brooches I have, the current one I'm wearing, and also this one, I feel like this is more suitable for everyday uses, and you can just kind of leave it on your jacket and forget about it and have it accessorized. And yeah, so this brooch retailed, I believe, for $350, and it's actually not bad for a Chanel brooch, especially considering that the resale value on these is pretty good. So yeah, on this brooch, there's a brushed metal outside right here, along with all these pearls. I do hear some reviews, people complain about the pearls or the crystals falling off on the brooches. I haven't found that to be the case. Maybe it depends if you get a faulty batch or something, but yeah, definitely not the case for me. The next piece I have is this brooch that I'm wearing right here. I do like to wear it in the center of shirts because I feel like it gives it more of like a preppy, classic look. It also looks really great along the left or right hand side of a jacket, especially dark jackets. I think that looks really nice. This brooch measures 5 centimeters in length and roughly 3 centimeters in height. The backing is this brushed gunmetal that's very smooth. On the bottom there's this Chanel stamped logo right here. As this moves, it has a lot of multifaceted sparkle, leans more on the darker tone, although you can see a lot of silver undertones here as well. So here is a size comparison between the two brooches. As you can see, this one is significantly larger and more of like a statement piece. This one's a lot more understated and goes really well with like white shirts, I think. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.